MagnetChess. It's advertised as a fast, family-friendly game where the goal is simple: get rid of all your magnets before your opponent does. The makers say it's super easy to learn, fun for both kids and adults, and something you can play almost anywhere. They also claim that the magnetic pieces feel really satisfying to use, and it's a lively, screen-free way to have quick fun together. Sounds great, right? But let's dig a little deeper and see if this product is really legit. First off, the reviews look impressive at first glance. But when we looked closer, something didn't add up. Some reviews are dated July and August 2025, but the website itself was only created in September 2025. Wait, how is that even possible? Reviews from before the site existed? That's definitely suspicious. They also claim a 4.7-star rating on Trustpilot, but when we checked, it was actually around 3 stars. And many recent reviews follow the same pattern. Customers place orders, get an initial confirmation, then nothing. No tracking updates, very slow responses, and sometimes no reply at all. Some people even think the shop might be a scam, or at least misleading when it comes to shipping and cancellations. Sure, there are a few positive reviews, but they're heavily outweighed by complaints. People are worried about non-delivery, poor communication, and even product safety. Next, let's talk about their claim of being a 2025 award-winning game. Sounds fancy, right? But they never mention who actually gave them this award. No organization, no foundation, no certificate, nothing. Without proof, this claim really can't be trusted, and it just adds more doubt about how honest the store is. Then there's the marketing. Wow, it's everywhere. Holiday sale. Our lowest prices ever. Only a few left. Endless countdowns. And they even say that 50% of profits are donated to St. Jude, but there's no verification for that either. All these tactics feel like they're more focused on pushing you to buy than actually offering a trustworthy product. Another thing, the product description itself is full of hype words. Things like Friday feeling, laughter and joy, thousands of families. Sounds nice, right? But it doesn't really tell you anything real about the game. It's more about making you feel excited than giving honest information. Finally, and this is a big one, all the product and marketing images look AI generated, so it's hard to know what the game actually looks like or if it even exists as shown. Fake images make the whole store feel unreliable and misleading. So, what's the bottom line? MagnetChess raises a lot of red flags. From suspicious reviews and unverifiable awards to aggressive marketing tactics and AI images. Combined with poor customer feedback and unproven claims, it seems like a risky purchase. Thanks for sticking with me through this review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product checks.